In August 2025, a massive haboob engulfed the city, creating chaos and destruction. The powerful storm brought with it swirling dust and debris that blanketed the streets. Residents were left in awe of the sheer force of nature as buildings were obscured and visibility dropped to near zero levels. The haboob's impact was felt far and wide, disrupting daily life and leaving a lasting impression on all who experienced it. Despite the devastation, the event served as a stark reminder of the unpredictable and overwhelming power of natural phenomena.